it's Jesse from B.M.R Records, and I'm here at Club Absinthe. Shout out to you guys about Rockin' Mayhem that we got June 3rd here at Club Absinthe. We got Anvil.
We're coming to Hamilton thanks to B.M.R Records. We're coming to play a place called Club Absinthe on June 3rd. We hope to see you there. You know it. Come for a crushing.
Razor.
Ryder from Razor.
Mike from
Club Absinthe, Hamilton, June 3rd. Be there. Hope you know who we are.
VESPERIA. MONARCH Woods.
Hey guys, it's Sharif and Jonah from Monarch Woods. We're stoked to be playing for you June 3rd at Club Absinthe in Hamilton.
And SKULLFIST coming at you live. Come on out Saturday night, doors open at 7. We're doing a meet and greet with Anvil before the show. $40 gets you in, meet those guys, check it out. Come on out, B.M.R Records.